Good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sounds, Songs, and Sayings. We are looking at a 2008 FurReal baby bird parrot. It takes 2 AA batteries, approximately 8 inches in height. Wings flap, mouth moves, beak talks. We're going to wake him up. He does have a try me switch and an on and off switch in the middle, and then of course you turn them on. I'm going to turn him around a little bit. You can kind of see how he moves. He's very quiet. And he can be fed. They may come with like a feeding something or other. I'm going to give you a peek at his tag on the bottom. He's going to move in my hand, I'm sure. It's a Hasbro FurReal 2008. That's about it. There's a number there. His feet kind of move a little bit, but they do not move when he moves. There is the bottom, the on button, off buttons in the middle, try me buttons on the right. Again, he takes 2 AA batteries. He chirps, he moves. Just a fun little FurReal guy. And that's about all he does. So there's not much to him. That'll do it for us for today. You guys have a great afternoon and be safe out there.